What's going on, B Nation? Hope you guys are doing fabulous. So today we're going to talk about detox and strengthening the body. And I'm going to just really break it down nice and simple for you guys. The next few videos, I'm going to really just talk about introducing you to detoxification and what that means. I also want to mention that I'm on Instagram. I started an Instagram account, so I'm B Rising. So B_rising. You can follow me there. It's all about connecting with you guys, all of us rising together on this journey through life. So B Rising is where you can find me. I'm going to be posting a lot of meals and just helpful tips to get you through this. So when we look at detoxing, we're really looking at cleansing the body. A lot of us may have a lot we're carrying in our gut, in our intestinal tract, a lot of waste. So when you go on a detox program, you're going to be eliminating a lot, and a lot of mucus as well could be coming out through your nose, sneezing, coughing, through the bowels for sure. If urinary, you could be going to the bathroom a lot. If you look at detoxification, you guys, I heard a song on the radio, you may have heard it. That song, a time to break down and a time to build up. How true is that in this world? A lot of us, you may be a carpenter where you're like tearing stuff down and then you're rebuilding. And that's really what the physical body is doing on detoxification. So with detoxification, it is a time to break down the body and really just start focusing on cleansing the body, healing, resting, and looking at regenerating these damaged cells and tissues, these genetic weaknesses that we have in our physical body. So with detoxification is really an elimination of toxins, elimination of waste, and elimination of acids, mucus. Mucus is there the body produces mucus to protect itself from foreign proteins, from dairy, meat, processed food, fast foods, a lot of these, foreign foods out there, and, they contain all sorts of chemicals, ingredients that we may not recognize. So always read the labels, read the ingredients before you ingest it in your body. And so we're going to talk about detox and why you may want to do a detox. So a lot of people do detoxes for their health, and what we look at are high water fruits for detox. Also, these fruits are alkaline, so that's important because we're bringing in an alkaline chemistry to take out some of these toxins, to push out some of these acidic waste out of the body. So that can come out your skin, like I said, through the bowels, through the sinuses. And the best that I have found on my journey are grapes. Grapes are awesome. I find most people that I'm working with can handle grapes well. It's fairly gentle. I know some of you guys are feeling the lower back where the kidneys are, but they get things moving, and they're high water content, so very alkalizing for the body as well. Now I do combine the grapes with lemon juice. We're going to come out more about what I do on that. Melons. So we're talking about watermelon, cantaloupe, papaya, honeydew melon. Any melons that you like that you can find, awesome. They're very, very good cleansers of the body, very astringent. They get things moving. Mangoes. You guys, I've been really getting into the mangoes. These beauties right here, packed with nutrition, vitamins, minerals, and you just want to make sure, that they are ripe. Berries. Now, if you can get berries in every day, berries are really good for your glands, for your kidneys, your adrenal glands. We're talking about neurological as well, brain food. So blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, however you want to get them in, whether you want to do smoothies, say coconut smoothies, green smoothies with the berries, just eating berries whole. I love eating berries whole with bananas, packed with nutrition. We're talking about flavonoids, phytochemicals. We're talking about these foods that were hit from the sun and contain lots of live enzymes. And this is what it's all about. It's all about giving fresh living food to the body. Start cleaning out the gut. Oranges, grapefruit. Check out this, you guys. I'm drinking some grapefruit juice. Now for some people out there that may be coming off the standard American everything diet, I don't really recommend going to the orange or grapefruit juice because it is a very, very powerful astringent. You can get a really big healing crisis, detox symptom, whatever you want to call it. And sometimes with oranges and grapefruit, it can be tricky because you want to make sure that they're ripe and not too acidic, because they can be, so if they're picked unripe, they can be acidic. So, you know, you may want to just step away from the citruses if you're coming off the standard American diet. If you've been on this lifestyle for a while, you can handle the juices, and they are still really, really powerful and high in calcium in your minerals. So for those people that can't handle oranges, I recommend doing lots of apples. And apples are fairly safe, just like the grapes. So it's just a matter of bringing in any fruits that you like, any fruits that you enjoy. And you can also incorporate some dry fasting. Dry fasting is very beneficial. 20, 24 hour, even 36-hour dry fasting really just gives your body a break from digesting any food. So many of us have been eating so much during our lifetimes, and we never let the body actually heal. So it's really just a matter of stepping out of the way and giving your body a chance to heal. And I like to think, you guys know I love analogies, so I always love to bring in the house analogy. Some people say, well, other people look healthy, and it's really, you can't see what's going on the inside of the body. Some people may look, you know, great on the outside with makeup or, you know, whatnot, but it's really what's going on the inside on a cellular level. What does the lymphatic system look like? So when we open that house, is there a bunch of parasites all over? Is there a bunch of junk all over that needs to be eliminated that's not really useful in the body? So what we're doing here at Detox is we're getting rid of stuff. We're cleaning up the house. We are opening up the doors and throwing stuff out. So we're getting the windows open, the doors opening. We're opening up the channels of elimination to get this acidic waste out of the body that's not serving the house. So we want this house to be high functional and not overloaded with junk. And we want to be able to flush the toilets and not be backing up in the house. So we're going to talk about kidneys as well, and how to get the kidneys filtering. Your skin is your third kidney, so a lot of people are getting acne, rosacea, psoriasis. A lot more to come on those and why you're getting that through the skin. What you see on the skin is just what is going on the inside. So if this house is, let's say it's built with paper mache, say white flour and water, which a lot of us out there have consumed white flour over the years, which is what you use to make paper mache. So it's very sticky, very gluey. And if our house is built with that, it's really not the best quality material. So when we go on Detox, we're gonna start cleaning house. We're gonna try to get this paper mache out of the body, this sticky, gluey paste that may be stuck in our colon. We're gonna try to get that out of the body and eliminate it. So that's where these astringent fruits come in. They're high alkaline, they're very good cleansers of the body, and they're very astringent. So they get things moving, and then you can really pull on the lymphatic system to get these acids out. So we're really just cleansing up the house, or if you want to look at it as even a vehicle. Say your vehicle, you're going to be taking your vehicle into the mechanic, except you're letting the fruit, nature, this is nature being the mechanic. So you're driving your car because you got the wrong fuel in it and it breaks down on the side of the road. I'm not coming to get you. I'm not coming to save your butt. Okay, maybe I will. So you're driving down the road because you got the wrong fuel in your gas tank. Now you're starting to get all the engine lights turning on, all the display lights are coming on, blinking. Those are just symptoms. Those are, say, your symptoms, warning signs that something isn't right here. And you may be able to drive your car around for a while before before you get these symptoms or before it breaks down. But what we want to do here is we want to take the car into the shop and start looking at what's going on here. First of all, we like to look at cause and effect. We may not even have the right fuel going into the car. So we want to make sure we're putting the right fuel in the car. So that's where grapes, melons, mangoes, your fruits really come in handy. You can look at some herbs too, or dry fasting, but it's really giving your body, your house, your vehicle, vessel, however you want to say it, a chance to heal. This is the healing time. Now the building time is, let's say you've come to a point where you don't have any more symptoms. For me, I've been dealing with skin cancer, abnormal cervical cells. You guys know ovarian cysts. You can look at all my videos about that, but for me, it's about really just working on the skin. I'm probably going to be doing a combo of detox and building. But when we look at building and being an athlete, we really want to still make sure that we are consuming the right fuel, right? We want to make sure that we are still eating healthy foods. For this time, it's really a resting period. You can still heal while building muscle. It's, you're just gonna have to look at calories in, calories out. So when you are working out, you wanna make sure that you are just really getting in more fuel, and that's your calories. So strengthening, it's really the same thing. We're just gonna be consuming more of this with fruits, particularly bananas. You can see I added an S. It's not one banana. If you want to start building, we're looking at eating, monomeals of bananas. You can do smoothies. Dates are really good too. You can look at veggies like healthy fats, avocados, doing salads, greens. Green juices, you guys, I find are awesome for building muscle, especially with alfalfa added in there, collard greens, kale, doing the juices, doing some blends. Peas also, if you want to do, say some steamed veggies with some steamed peas. I really like those too, as well as smoothies. So we're really just adding in a lot more calories when we're building up. So it's really a lot of the same with detox, your fruits, your veggie juices, but we're adding in a lot more. So smoothies, now for people that don't want to do either juices or smoothies or, even fruits, I would say start with doing some steamed veggies with, say, wild rice or sweet potato. So I love to give people options on how to build and how to cleanse at the same time. For me, I have found I can still, filter with my kidneys even with the steamed veggies and some wild rice. So it's not going to be as powerful as the fruits. For building, I find it's just increasing a lot more of what we already eat. And that's where these lovely mangoes come in. So I can easily eat 4 or 5 mangoes a day. No problem. I can easily do 4 or 5 bananas a day. And I'm really packing in the juices, you guys, even making my own green blends. So I really, really love doing berries with the greens and really just pack it in more nutrition with building up. So this is just really overdosing the body on nutrition, and detox is really just resting, allowing the body to heal, and really digging in deeper and cleansing. So it's really just finding your balance and finding what works for you. And especially if it depends really on your health too. So your state of health, you may just want to hit the detox right away. You may want to hit dry fasting. It's all up to you. But remember, however many years it took to get us to be sick, to get those engine lights flashing on, it's going to take some time to start cleaning the house, to start fixing these areas. So I look at it as a lifestyle. I look at it as what can I do today to give my body health and nutrition and happiness. And it's really just focusing on every meal, what am I putting in my body? Is it health? And that's where, you know, the fruits really come in, the green juices. So I just really focus on overdosing on nutrition, on health, and really just giving the body a chance to heal. And then you know, you can focus on starting to build up the body again. And you want to make sure that you're going to be using materials that are strong and that are quality, right? So going back, if I was to clean out the body and then go back to eating dairy, meat, and processed food and junk food, I'm just going to build down the body again. So it's all about building the body back up with strong materials. So it's a fine balance, and you, each of you will just find that what works for you, and even finding what fruits work well with your body. So I hope that helps you guys out. Stay tuned for more videos, and we'll see you guys in the next one. As always, be alkaline, be your beautiful selves, and be getting in some fruits today. Cheers.